In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Steam, whether you're dealing with unwanted messages, spam invites, or you just need some space. Blocking is a quick, effective way to stop all contact and keep your gaming time peaceful. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that Steam is fully loaded so everything you need is available. You can do this on Windows, Mac, or Linux, and the process is very similar on the Steam mobile app, though the buttons might be arranged a little differently. Next, head to the person's profile. There are a few easy ways to get there. If the person is already in your friends list, open your friends window and click their name to go straight to their profile. If you've recently chatted with them, you can open your chat window and jump to their profile from there. And if you don't see them in either place, use Steam Search to look them up by their display name and select their profile from the results. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct profile by checking their avatar and details, since many users can share similar names. Once you're on their profile page, look for the three dots icon, sometimes shown as usually near the top right of the profile area. Click that to open a small menu. In that menu, choose Block All Communication. Steam will ask you to confirm this action since it affects how you and this person interact. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes, block them. That's it. The block takes effect immediately. After blocking, the person won't be able to send you chat messages, friend requests, or game and group invites, and they won't be able to comment on your profile. If they were on your friends list, Steam will remove them from your friends automatically. You also won't receive notifications from them moving forward. Keep in mind that blocking is specific to Steam's communication features. It doesn't control what happens inside every individual game, but it does stop Steam-based contact. If you change your mind later, blocking isn't permanent. You can reverse it at any time from the same area on their profile. For now, you've successfully created a bit of distance and made your Steam experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly block someone on Steam with confidence and clarity.